Imagine a curious kid named Alex who builds a helmet started with soft electrodes and a tiny Wi-Fi chip. One night, Alex whispers,
Let's plug our brain into the internet and download all the dinosaur facts.
In this thought experiment, the helmet scans brainwaves and sends a signal to a remote server full of encyclopedias. First, Alex and a friendly neuroscientist imagine how data might flow. On the computer side, packets of it seep across fiber optic cables. But the human brain speaks in spikes and chemical whispers. Neurons use analog voltages and tiny bursts of calcium to store memories. To bridge them, El Duo pretends they can translate bits into electrical patterns that mimic those spikes. They call this virtual synapse mapping. Next comes the big challenge: how to target the right neurons. The human cortex holds billions of cells wired in unique networks. Alex sketches a cartoon brain and draws colored roads to every library pick. In real science, we would need a map as precise as GPS, but at microscopic scale. So they dream up a smart quantum nanoprobe that floats in the bloodstream and attaches to each neuron, tagging its address like a postal code. With addresses tagged, the server sends a knowledge block of 500 bytes, representing the complete story of pterodactyl fight. The helmet converts each byte to a tiny electrical pulse train. Those pulses travel through electrodes to specific neurons and stretch synapses by following the rule cells that fire together. It will grant to be different type of order. No Armageddon cry, in fact, but it will then know cry to use. In their imaginary lab, the team rapidly downloads math formulas, history timelines, and foreign languages, all in one night. Alex wakes up fluent in French dinosaur names and ready to solve algebra puzzles. But our scientists stop the dream and point out a real issue. Brains don't store words as files. They store meaning across networks, linking memories to emotions, senses, and context. You can't just drop a PDF into the hippocampus and expect it to read. To fix this, the researchers add a context encoder. It layers new data with smells and images so the brain can weave new facts into old memories. They play a forest sound when downloading bird flight facts or show the sunset while learning geography. This trick borrows from how sleeping brains replay events to cement learning. By morning, Alex has a brain buzzing with new knowledge and a heart pounding with wonder. Yet the scientists remind us that safety and ethics matter. Flooding the brain with unfiltered data would scramble identities or overload memory circuits. They propose built-in neural firewalls and strict consent rules. In the end, the Wild Helmet experiment shows us a thrilling horizon. A future where brain-computer bridges could help people learn faster, restore lost memories, or translate thoughts into art. Full instant download remains a distant dream, but every step in brain mapping and interface design brings us closer. Alex takes off the helmet, grins and says, "One day, we'll fill our minds with galaxies of knowledge safely." Piece by piece,